This is very startling. Coinbase just stunned the whole Shiba Inu population. One wonders about 174 billion Shiba Inu. Whales are out on a frenzy. Experts are dropping their signals. Under all this is Satoshi Kusama. Alternatively, is this something else? Allow me to clarify, however. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. For Shiba Inu, today has been really a roller coaster. With volatility reaching some of the greatest levels we have seen in a long time, the price has been hitting around like crazy. The good news is that now, however, things are beginning to reverse. The price is gradually rebounding, and you can observe investors returning with confidence once again via their transactions. Now, if you enlarge and consider the whole image, it's rather not terrible at all. Given the wildness of the market, Shiba Inu is still clinging to some advancements, which is encouraging. And this type of movement most certainly disturbs the society. While some view it as an opportunity, getting more while the cost is still cheap, others have some people experiencing the strain and watching every small movement. Excitement mixed with anxiety and optimism. Still, one thing is certain. Today, Shiba Inu are keeping everyone on alert. But wait, I know. That seems absurd, but pay me attention. Today, even more bizarre events occurred. Coinbase has been rapidly transferring a lot of Shiba Inu out of nowhere. Nobody really understands why. This implies something. Make sure you stay around to the very last, as I will dissect everything later in the video. Let's start, however, discuss Shiba Inu's most recent achievement, since this one is significant. A tweet by an expert said Shiba Inu now boasts over 1.5 million purse holders, not even considering centralized exchanges here. The Shiba army is not just powerful, then. Among all the crypto communities, this is the largest and most congested one. And type of encouragement like that. It is strong. Shiba Inu continues to attract more believers, owners, and activity even with all the marketplace ups and downs. This coin isn't going away despite the volatility precisely because of this. When a community pulls together like this, great things may occur. And now, everything makes sense, just as we discussed in yesterday's video. With a significant increase in big transaction volume, investor interest in Shiba Inu is clearly building up quick pace. We are discussing a significant leap over double, that is, the movements made by the whales, major players. This sort of activity is crucial as, when combined with strong specific momentum, it might be just what Shiba Inu requires to accelerate toward a true rebound. Usually, deep-pocket investors show confidence via this kind of action. Looking back, then, it seems obvious why things have been getting hot. Given all this activity, it's conceivable we are witnessing early indicators of something more. Should the trend sustain and additional investors enter the market, Shiba Inu's price may respond significantly. Actually, it is already under progress right now, because something recently occurred with Coinbase that utterly stunned the Shiba Inu population. Coinbase experienced an amazing withdrawal during the last several days. From its heated wallet, about 174 billion Shiba Inu flowed out. Though this is not something you witness every day, here is where it becomes really weird. The tokens ended up in an absolutely dormant wallet. No history, no past transactions, simply an empty address suddenly getting enormous quantities of Shiba Inu in 3 different transfers. The final and largest one is underscored that occurred less than 1 day ago. And here is the crucial point. Satoshi Kusama came back only yesterday with a mysterious note that has everyone buzzing. Instead of delving into specifics regarding his absence, he dropped something unexpected. An astrological analysis pointing to a significant change in destiny, a road always destined to be taken. It transcended him as well. It concerned something more general, something unavoidable. Now combine these elements, a rapid, inexplicable movement of billions of tokens, a secret message about destiny and metamorphosis. Also the timing, it almost seems too perfect. Is anything huge under development for Shiba Inu? Perhaps this marks the turning point in everything. If yes, the possibilities are wild. For Shiba Inu's pricing, it might be a game changer, pushing it into heights we never would have believed feasible. Perhaps even that $1 fantasy isn't too far off from reality. One thing is certain, though, something large is approaching, and we'll soon learn just precisely what that entails for Shiba Inu. Here's the most fascinating portion as well. One expert boldly made a forecast right out front. He said that if you invested only a few $100s in Shiba Inu right now, by May you may be looking at some quite large returns. Just yesterday, Shiba Inu surged well ahead of Bitcoin, on fire recently. Analysts projecting a significant breakthrough based on this sort of momentum might maybe double its worth many times over. They are pointing to important technical signals that imply a significant rally might be en route, a breakout from a declining channel and a cup and handle configuration. Shiba Inu may be thinking about one of its best runs ever if it continues pushing past opposition, and the excitement continues there. Shiba Inu is currently on the brink of yet another great milestone as interest and expansion continue. Shibarium, the Layer 2 blockchain of Shiba Inu, is approaching a historical significance. $1 billion overall transactions, correctly. Shibarium scan indicates that the network has now handled over 992 million deals, leaving just few million more until it reaches the amazing 1 billion milestone. This is not only a figure. It is evidence of actual relentless action inside the ecology. Still, there is another side to this narrative. One expert advises us to monitor Shiba Inu even more as right now it marks a pivotal turning point. Some are alerting Shiba Inu's owners to a significant decline should the bearish trend persist, therefore placing more of them farther into the red at the moment. Investors now at loss account for a large share of Shiba Inu's supply. Should prices drop considerably lower, more tokens would enter the out-of-the-money zone, suggesting a difficult route forward. Indeed, on paper it seems worrisome. Still, this is the important point. Huge rebounds are precisely what this type of arrangement fosters. We have seen that in cryptocurrency before. Often the largest reversals occur at very low feeling or when anxiety is at its worst. And with everything else going on, big whale moves, crazy Coinbase transactions, and Shiba Inu breaking through significant opposition, this may be the precise time things start to turn around. Imagine it. Would we be witnessing significant investors transferring billions of tokens if Shiba Inu was really at danger of failing? Are there technical patterns screaming breakthrough potential? Would Satoshi Kusama be leaving cryptic notes about destiny and metamorphosis? This goes beyond cost as well. It's related to posture. Those who grasp the market are aware that these high-stress times are when actual opportunities arise from fear. Should Shiba Inu be strong, and if it continues to gather momentum, major action might follow. Those who are attentively observing are already getting ready for what is ahead, and considering long-term, it is obvious. Shiba Inu's pricing is not grounds for concern. Actually, the whole image starts to seem even more logical. Like Lucy, Shiba Inu's chief marketer, noted in her most recent tweet, I also note, the Shiba ecosystem sorely desires its own bull season. She's correct as well. Even through the ups and downs of the market, Shiba Inu has been constructing, growing, and forward-leaning. The ecology is not motionless. It is changing, becoming more robust, and preparing itself for the next major relocation. Major indications of this have already been seen. Whale activity is picking increasing speed. Coinbase has had one of the most enigmatic withdrawals ever. Analysts are divided. Some advocate a significant breakthrough while others warn of a collapse. But with cryptocurrencies, that type of ambiguity is sometimes ideal for something large. Though its price may be erratic in the near future, one thing is certain. Shiba Inu's community, environment, and vision remain whole. The Shiba army isn't going away. When the perfect circumstances line up and the market eventually flips in Shiba Inu's favor, she might be ready for a bull period of her own. The only query is, when it comes time, will you be ready? On this, however, what is your view? Comment below. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.